Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we are making a complete product photoshoot, and after that we are post-processing for the final result and for the export to the client. As you know, I am shooting a lot of commercials and product commercials related to lenses, microphones and other products. And today we shall be looking at how to improve the product photos with some little secrets behind it. This video is also sponsored by RETOUCH4ME. More of it later on in the tutorial. So let's get juicy with some products that I will be shooting today. We have some cosmetic products and some hard soft drinks. So let's get straight into this shoot. The way that I'm doing it is to have mostly a black background, playing with the actual shades, lights and some smoke. I have a blue light from my left side and the red light from the right side, making a good overall look for a blue reddish tone. For the first product, let's choose this amazing red wine liquor that we'll be shooting for the beauty of it. Adding the smoke can elevate the complete experience. We shall be doing the same exact thing with the other product, just like the parfum and small bottle of spirit. It's called Spirit of Istria. We have done now the shoot, we are ready to enter the editing suite. To be honest, I didn't do so much to clean up the products and now we have a lot of dust. This will be a long edit for sure. Well, looks like we shall be post-fixing and editing that in post. Entering Lightroom and we shall be actually removing dot by dot every single little dust that we see in the footage. Or maybe we have another option to do it a lot faster. It's called the RETOUCH4ME dust. And we shall be getting straight into this new plugin from RETOUCH4ME and doing all that cleanup in just a couple of seconds. Let me show you how it's done. Importing the picture straight into the RETOUCH4ME dust. And you can see already that the blending and the removal of the dust have been done. And actually checking from the original footage to the actual removal, it has been done in a perfect way just to match this actual bottle. Also, you can select the amount and actual size of the dust in 3 different variants, so you can actually fine-tune your picture and get the complete dust removed as you wish. Perfect and simple, just like that. And actually I prefer to make the edits first and the complete toning on the image, and after that importing that into the dust remover plugin and get the dust removal done in a couple of seconds. And you can check from the original, it removed all the complete dust in 1 second, getting the exported image for the client. Now we can admire, after the exporting done, the before and after the dusting cleaning process. And this is a couple of shoots that I done for the various brands. And another thing that I wasn't aware of, on how bad was my black backdrop with all the crepancy and the old paper that I used to shoot these actual photos. Well, we have a solution to that. We shall be using the clean backdrop solution from RETOUCH4ME and clean up the background to smoothen it out, also doing it in seconds. In just a matter of seconds I have some really professional usable product photos. And I wanted to mention there is a great color matching tool from RETOUCH4ME. It will be actually free and you can test it out. So if you want to test out this new color matching tool and actually understand how this works, you are able to download it for free and use it as much as you want. You will not be able to actually export the saved LUTs and actual color matching that you're done, but if you decide that it's actually a great project for you, you can download it and actually get it after it. So you can actually test out this product for free. The difference is between this and the demo version is actually you can't export the LUTs and save the result after that. But yes, you can experiment with toning and see how it works, so you can then decide if you want to purchase the actual color match. Color match gives you the access to a great variety of LUTs inside the plugin loading the LUT manager. You have a great selection of refined LUTs to elevate your footage to the next level. Also, you are able to blend it from 0 to 100. That said, don't forget there is a new winter sale going on right now, and with my promo code link in the description you can get 30% off the complete store. This is a great opportunity to get some amazing AI plugins for 30% off, including the RETOUCH4ME DAS that is released today. There you go, some fast and amazing editing tricks using the power of AI. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make new video, and see you on my next one.